Welcome to the world premiere of the Disney 100 exhibit here in Philadelphia at the Franklin Institute. Just fortunate that I was here when it was here. I think it opened a month or so ago. I can't remember, but I'm glad to be here. Let's go check it out.
That's really cool.
Oh boy! Oh, steady! Whoa! Hi, Mouseketeers! Well, here we go again, so hang on. Anything goes. You ready? And let the show begin! Here's my pal Walt to tell you how the magic is made.
There's a lot of satisfaction in developing ideas into reality. When we consider a new project, we really study it. Not just the surface idea, but everything about it. And when we go into that new project, we believe in it all the way. We have confidence in our ability to do it right, and we work hard to do the best possible job. There's really no secret about our approach. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors, doing new things, because we're curious. And curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. We're always exploring and experimenting.
Everybody ready? And on with the show!
A+. Let's see how well we do. Wait. Do one at a time. Who do you think? Who's that one?
Wait, hold on. I know it. What do you understand? Wait, I know it. Let's see.
I'm gonna be here forever.
Turn it. Oh, hold on.
5 seconds.
I don't know.
Dumbo.
I
All right.
know that.
I saw it. Yeah, this one.
Cinderella.
That's Cinderella.
This
Yeah.
one's Cinderella?
Yeah. Cinderella.
Okay. I know this. I saw this one, so.
No.
Pinocchio.
No. Who's got the black?
It's a
I don't-
Goyle.
What?
It's a Goyle girl.
Oh, Sleeping Beauty.
Anybody else?
Oh, yeah, turn it. Oh, wait. Oh.
5, 4,
Never mind.
3, 2, 1. Alice. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Peter Pan. That's Peter Pan.
I think so.
Very good. Oh,
Nutcracker.
This
That's,
roasted brown. It's got to be an animal.
that's not Mickey Mouse. Chip and Dale.
Yeah.
Oh, Mowgli.
I thought it was an animal.
That's
It's Burger King.
And
that's
it's-
not Burger King.
What's this?
Oh,
is that
I know who
Pluto?
that is. That's gonna be Scar.
Tigger.
Pluto.
Oh,
Tigger.
I saw it.
Score for Frank.
That might be, that's Burger King. No, what's his name?
That's Boba Fett.
Wait.
Geppetto? No, it's a little.
Oh, Robin Hood's a
Cricket.
good.
Jiminy Cricket, that's
No,
what-
Robin Hood's a good call.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's a
let's
good
get down
one.
here, over here.
That looks like Alice or something.
Who?
No, we already did Alice.
No, that wasn't Alice. This one right here? At least it was.
Is that
Oh,
like?
that was Cinder- Oh, that's Boba Fett.
No, is that like? Is that like
No, it's not
Frozen?
cheating. No, it's not
No
cheating.
cheating. 5, 4. Check ahead for it. Oh, Belle. Who's the next one?
Winnie the Pooh.
That's not the Frozen.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, Mickey Mouse isn't up there.
I don't know what the characters are.
Okay, let's see. Where we're at. Oh, Scrooge.
Burger King.
Stop
That's a
it.
Minnie Mouse.
That's
That does not-
Simba. Oh, that's Jafar. I knew it was dark colors there.
Lightning McQueen.
We really stink at this.
Donald Duck.
Oh, no. That's Eeyore. Oh, Stitch. Close.
Yeah.
Oh, Tiana.
Jenny Cricket.
That's Tiana. Yeah. Tell by the teal.
Burger King.
Stop.
Yeah, that was Burger King.
That was it? It's got the flash car.
Jiminy Cricket.
Dark. I'm not sure. Go ahead. Oh, wow. And that
That's
one
one.
That's a hard one.
So it's mostly black.
Pale. I don't
We are
know.
bad
Gray.
at this game.
No, flip it. Judy Hopps.
Hopps.
Oh,
Didn't
from
know that one.
Zootopia. Well, you know me and music, and it's all the cool Disney ones. Aristocats was the first one I remember buying. Look at all the album covers. Guardians,
You might have to look, they're all different.
so many.
Every screen has different ones. Oh.
Lots of music.
Oh my god. Steph and I must have played this.